Binance may spend over $1 billion on investments this year. Yes, Binance, the #1 cryptocurrency exchange we have in crypto, may spend this much, and Binance CEO says the company may spend more than $1 billion on acquisitions and investments this year and 2022. And let's talk about this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, the company has already committed $325 million to 67 projects so far this year. So far. Now, look at this. According to the Binance CEO, Binance is looking to invest $200 million investments in Forbes Media Company and $500 million in financing Elon Musk's Twitter purchase? Is this right here? Look at this. The CEO of Binance has begun focusing on investments on areas such as decentralized finance and non-fungible tokens, which is NFTs, not distressed crypto assets this year. Further investment ideas for Binance has yet to be shared. So look at this commitment. $500 million in financing Elon Musk's Twitter purchase, investing $200 million investment in Forbes Media Company, and then more, because they want to do more than that. Want to get up to $1 billion. As Binance looks to invest in more assets by the end of 2022, it still has its own internal struggles. Now remember this. Earlier, BNB Chain endured a major hack attacking that cost Binance $100 million. Now, the CEO of Binance has taken to social media to say the incident is now under control, telling users their funds are safe. But the big headline is Binance may spend $1 billion in investments this year. How much you think they're gonna spend in 2023? It could be $2 billion. Who knows? My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Check this out, and I'll see you on the next